Hallo Leute und herzlich willkommen auf unserem Kanal. Mein Name ist Rao Bahaj und Sie sehen Lern German mit Rao. Heute unterrichte ich dir die deutsche Nummer. Today I will teach you the German numbers von 1 bis 10, from 1 to 10. So los geht's! So now listen each number carefully. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So now you are thinking that what come before 1, before 1, so it is null, null. So now take the revision by speaking every number after me. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have learned the German numbers, die deutsche Nummer von 1 bis 10, from 1 to 10. So now you can also give your phone number to anybody in German by starting Mein Handynummer ist. Mein Handynummer ist. For example, mein Handynummer ist 0344827359. So now you have also learned that how to give your phone number. So if you find this video informative, so please like it, and the ones who hasn't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe it. Bis bald.